Introducing the new WeldTube chopped leather top pipeliners, custom handmade in the heart of Texas, designed by experienced professional welders, makes this an improved design of the traditional chop top. The leather top pattern is cut out from premium leather, then goes through a wet molding and pre-stretching process before it is installed on the hood to help it maintain its shape. Now we let it dry. The WeldTube chopped leather top pipeliner has more leather than the traditional chop tops. This prevents light from getting in through the top of the hood and reflecting on your lens while welding in sunlight or bright environments. The bottom cut comes in several variations depending on your personal preference and face size. On the slim cut, the 1-inch cut at the bottom tapers upwards towards the fasteners, and on the medium cut, the 1-inch cut at the bottom tapers towards the bottom curve of the hood. There is also a no-cut bottom for those who prefer the original factory cut. Also available are no leather 1-inch trim top and bottom pipeliner hoods and original unmodified pipeliner hoods. Every WeldTube hood comes upgraded with aluminum headgear fasteners with silicone gaskets and a gold high visibility welding lens, a $40 value. WeldTube, home of the custom pipeliner hoods. Get them now at weldlife.com.